You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's look at how to pronounce this word in French correctly. From French, objet. This word means object in French. The French pronunciation of object, how to say object in French. Objet. Objet, silent T. How to pronounce objet in English? The pronunciation would be as objet. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.